In this video, I'm gonna show you different ways and strategies to get more traffic to your books published on Amazon KDP to make more sales. And the good news is that they're all for free. And before I start, an important warning. This tutorial and those strategies are not for publishers who have just started. So if you have just started and you have published maybe 1 or 2 books, you should upload more books and make your books better and better, whether it was the interiors, improve the cover designs, your keywords, and so on, until you get a good number of high quality books. I can't say a specific number, it depends on the quality of your books. However, I mean that you should already have good number of high quality listing already in your profile before applying all those methods to promote your books. So the first method is to use TikTok, and especially in those days and those years, TikTok is the king of the social medias, and here in TikTok it's a way easier to go viral and get sales. And I think it's clear from all businesses, whether it was KDP, print on demand, dropshipping, and so on. So here, for example, I search for coloring book and I got a couple of accounts that provide coloring book content, like this one right here. So this one, for example, coloring book pages. So she's uploading videos of her coloring these books and pages. Very simple to create videos, and she got 60,000 followers. So that's very good. And the views here, as you can see, couple of thousands for every video, and some of them went viral, like this one 14,000, this one is 13,000, this one 20,000, and this one more than 500,000 views. So yeah, and this one, for example, 1 million views. So as you can see, maybe you will need to order your book and then color each page, and when you color pages, upload them here to your profile and get views and traffic for free. You might not go viral from your first videos. However, if you keep uploading for a long time, build an audience for you, which can be converted to sales. So this profile right here obviously is not promoting any specific website right here, so I can't see any link. However, this one, for example, got a link for their books, and this one has 36,000 followers, which is a decent number of followers actually. And you can see that the videos got a couple of thousands of views. Some of them went viral, like this one 59,000, and this one 65,000, and those as well very high number of views. So for example, this one more than 500,000 views. Look at the video. So it's 11 seconds video of a person flipping the pages of this coloring book and coloring them basically, and they are very simple coloring pages, as you can see. So look at all these free traffic that you can get by uploading TikTok videos alone. And TikTok videos obviously are not very hard to create. It's just 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and you can film it by your phone immediately, but you have to be consistent for a long time. And here, if we click on this link right here, we will go here to this page where we can see different books. So for example, if we click here to this serial killer and their last words, we'll go here to this listing. So the TikTok page is linked immediately with the book. And as you can see, we have seen a couple of videos about this book. And if we see the ranking for this book, you can see that it has bestseller rank of 28,725. That's really good. And you can even see the good results from the reviews. So 1,100 ratings. That's a lot of ratings, not the sales. This is only the number of ratings. So that's crazy and solid. So here is, as you can see, the result of promoting your book on social media, promoting by creating content. And it's especially good for those who cannot invest their money to run ads. You can create a TikTok page and promote your books. And if you decide to do that, you should promote one type of niches. So for example, coloring book niches, for example, puzzles. So don't mix different niches. So for example, don't upload 10 videos on coloring books for kids, and then another 10 for a way further niche, for example, puzzles for adults. So mixing different contents is not the best option to build your audience on TikTok especially. And that doesn't mean that you have to promote only one book, one specific book. No, like this book, there are different books, however, they are all coloring books and they are all for adults, for example. So yeah, that's okay, totally okay. And the second method is to build an Instagram page like this one right here. So as you can see, it got almost 500 followers, and the interaction in their posts are not crazy. However, I think uploading reels on Instagram will work better than picture posts. So you can immediately here link your website on the bio right here. And I forgot to mention that you have to reach 1000 followers on TikTok before you can add a link on your profile. So firstly, you can link your Instagram to your TikTok, and in your Instagram, you will link the Amazon page. And what's good is that you can upload the same videos, the same short form videos, of course, on TikTok and on Instagram Reels as well. Not only that, but you can even upload them on YouTube Shorts, on Facebook Stories. I don't know what's on Facebook. So you can create a variety of channels that all lead to your Amazon page, and all of that traffic is 100% organic and for free, because you actually don't know on which platform you will go viral. So maybe TikTok, maybe Reels, Instagram, maybe the shorts on YouTube, you don't know. However, according to my knowledge, currently at least TikTok is the king, but you will not lose anything more than a couple of minutes to upload the same exact videos to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. And as soon as you go viral on any of these platforms, the sales of your book will go crazy as well. And more than that, you can even create a website for your page. So for example, we have discussed in one of my previous videos about this author, Coloring Book Kim, and his website or her website, but I think that is more advanced step. But firstly, you should promote your books on social media like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And again, I will say that you have to create a good number of high quality books firstly, so you have a good looking library for your books and you may get some good reviews. Then you should create short form videos and upload it to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. And of course, you'll get a traffic from all these platforms, which can you lead them to your Amazon profile like this. So obviously, you should make more videos, and the more videos you will get, the higher chance of getting more and more traffic. So it's good that you uploading the exact same videos on all these three platforms, and all these different channels are leading to the same page. So you are likely 3xing your effort at the same time you're investing. I think that's really good for the long term especially. And yeah, thanks for watching, and there is no specific videos that you should watch at this point. So you are free, I mean, watch whatever you want, but if you want still to watch one of my videos, watch this one recommended by YouTube itself. Thanks.